Hey, what's up guys? I'm Javi Guzman with Mr. Phone Doctor, and today I will be laminating an iPad LCD on Nasan's latest Super Light Max. I wanted to create this video for you all because I know there's a lot of questions as far as refurbishing goes. A lot of you out there are unsure on which route to go, whether a plate laminator, airbag laminator, or which brand to use. So I'm hoping I'm able to clear out some questions that you may have by laminating this iPad LCD and showing you guys how well Nasan's Super Light Max works for all devices. So let's begin laminating our iPad LCD. Me personally, I like to use these templates that allow you to give you a nice precise alignment. We'll set our LCD in here like so. Okay, so let's clean this up. And to clean the LCDs, I just like to use a little bit of ISO 99. That generally works wonders for all our screens. This is all we use. We don't use any other type of liquid out there. All right, once we have it nice and clean, we like to use our pre-applied Oka glass. This is available on our web store as well, so I recommend using this glass just because it already has the OCA applied already. It saves you from having to laminate Oka onto your glass. One less step to do. As you guys know, when you're refurbishing, less is more. You know, if you have something with a pre-applied OCA to glass, then by all means, go for it. So I will reveal the OCA layer. Okay. Now in this step, it is very critical that you only have the glass near the middle of the LCD, okay? Reason being is if for any reason you have a swirl touch or anything like this where you're capturing bubbles, when the vacuum laminates, it's gonna draw air out and you're gonna get trapped bubbles. So always make sure that you only press once in the middle of the screen. And I like to just go in from the bottom where the hole was on my template. So you'll see how I just press up right here like so, just like that. And you want to be careful when you're handling it, so I'm just gonna grab it here in the middle. We will open our chamber and we will set our screen in here like so. We'll latch it. So let's begin. I will hit start. Now, as I mentioned in the setup and use video, you'll see a couple of these parameters here. Once we get up to 92, you'll see our vacuum time begin counting down, or I should say counting up. And it will count up all the way up until it hits 30 seconds. Now what this is doing is just pulling all the air out of the chamber. Once it has 30 seconds of the air removed, then you'll notice that we'll have our laminate time go and it'll pop the screen up, which is gonna happen any second now. There we go. Like so. And that process is another 30 seconds, as you can see here. All right, that has finished. Now let's reveal our lamination. Okay, so you do see that there is some pretty large bubbles here on the edges and everywhere. Now by all means, don't worry, because we will be able to laminate, or excuse me, we'll be able to put this in the bubble remover and eliminate all these bubbles that show up. So let's get this ready to introduce to our autoclave. Set it in here like so. Latch it. And we will turn this on and we will choose 3 minutes should be suitable for this. And we got to put our air. All right, now that this is running, let's wait 3 minutes and we'll cut back so we can see the finished bubble removing process. All right, the bubble removing has finished. Let's take a look and see our finished lamination. Alright, there we have her. No bubbles, which is what we like. But that's it, guys. That is the lamination process on the Nasan Super Light and the bubble removing process on the B2 Max. As you can see, we have a nice, flawless, brought back to life LCD. Very, very nice. So that's gonna wrap up this video today, guys. I do have several other videos that I'm gonna be doing. I got a lot of unboxes coming, so you guys are in for a treat on all the latest equipment and technology that's coming out. I don't want to spill any beans, but maybe I'll do some teaser videos and reels of what's to come. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for checking out this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, suggestions, please leave them down below. And if you are interested in purchasing this equipment, feel free to visit my web store. We are direct affiliates with Nissan, so we can offer you guys full support, training, parts, equipment, anything that you guys need. We are here to help and support you on your repair journey. So the Surgeon is signing out. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.